Okay, this is the log for September 28th for stage 2 of this trading algorithm. Primarily what we're trying to do here is counter trade retail. So retail often trades breakouts. So price comes up to a resistance, and if it pierces, then people go long and they set their stop loss about what that resistance was, and vice versa for hitting a support, going downwards to a support. And so especially in range bound price action like we have been in for the first few months, this should be a profitable strategy versus a trend following strategy during 2017, for example. So uh, for this, while I'm studying these trades, I'm using a very small account size of $200. The point of this is not to make money, it's to validate the strategy before putting hundreds of thousands of dollars behind it, which is what I'll do in the future. So update is that one of the 2 open trades is closed. I'm going to cover that right now. So here were our 2 open trades. We have one long trade in Bitcoin and one short trade in Ethereum. That's what we had open, and the Ethereum trade closed. So here was our Bitcoin trade. You can see it's marked here. This was a loss one, but this is our open one right now. So we are hitting this support level. This price pierced it, touching, false break, touching, false break. A little bit hard to see there, but yeah, this is like clearly a point of support. And so when we came below it here, we put a stop market entry going long at this point level around 18,864 to 18,842 going long. And so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to catch people who are going short and then are entering their stop losses as we're going long. So maybe a little bit of poor execution, but you have some velocity behind you. So we set the take profit up at what is this level here? 20433, almost touched it. Brutal. This is a high of 2379. You can see the high is always right here. So the high is 20,379, and our take profit was 2433. So fucking so close, but didn't get touched. However, our stop stop loss also did not get touched yet. So this trade is still open, as you can see below. That's this row here. There is this kind of all the info that I've put in the log for it. Trading on the 1 daily, it's flat. Here's the all-time range. We're going long. This is the stop loss, and it just hasn't finished yet, so we don't have results on it. At the same time, we had a ETH trade going short, which is here. It was this trade. It's trading the 4-hour. So this is the resistance range that we were trading. So you see a creating candle, false break, touch, false break, and then a kind of complex false break down. So this is the trade we took last time, going short, the stop loss up basically at the top of this candle. And the take profit is always at least a 3-to-1 risk ratio. So our take profit was down here and we got touched. And that was profitable. So that's the update from last stream, is this profitable trade here. The strategy is now at 6 and 12. So 6 trades out of the 18 total are profitable. Is that correct? Let's see what we have. 1, 2 cells taken up. So I believe it's actually 19. Oh, okay, but this one hasn't resolved yet. Yep. So 6 out of the 18. So, ostensibly we should be just exactly at break even. So here was our short trade. We have it tracked here, and then it looks like we make it pretty much the exact same trade here. So we have going short here with our stop losses set all the way up here. And let's actually go for let's see if we can get maybe a little bit tighter of a stop loss and get a higher risk ratio. So assuming that this is a simple false break, meaning you just get a piercing of the resistance, we want to set our stop loss pretty close to here. So let's set it around 13 say 57. I'm using a tool that I use for calculating the correct position size. It says 178. I have one set already. Can I alter that on UIDX? I can't. So previously, we were doing it for 111, and our difference is 67, so we'll add another order here. Stop market at 1342, another 67, and selling. So I'm increasing the kind of order size here because I'm looking at maybe a shorter stop. And let's bring down the stop to 13. So I can't do it on here. I can't even drag it. Trash. No way to order it. It sucks. So let's cancel this one and then we'll back in. So okay, here we go. Let's 1357. Our new size is 178. So that's our new stop. It's just a little bit above this wick, and it's a technical stop here. And we have our take profit set for 1270, I believe. Let's go for a little bit of a better risk ratio here. Actually, let's stick with this. Let's stick with a 3-to-1 risk ratio. We'll just slide up our take profit to 1297, which is a little bit closer. So right up in here. Okay, great. Our sells are hit. But they were both canceled. Okay, I haven't figured out how to do this correctly yet on DYDX. I'm just going to send manually. That's the wrong thing. 178. Short. Relatively the same execution. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I don't know why that's getting canceled, but on Bybit you can do that kind of order. I haven't figured it out on DYDX yet, or how to pronounce it without spelling out the letters. So now I need to add in my take profit limit, which will be down in this 1297 range. 1297 should be for the same amount, 178. And we'll do it this way. And we want it just to be reduce only. Sorry, I'm learning DYDX right now, and I haven't totally figured out yet. Okay, so I think I need to put it in ETH terms because the price will change. There we go. Boom. Okay. Canceled. Why? I don't understand this interface at all. Limit buy only 0.133 at 12.97. What am I doing? Well, I'm not going to waste time during the stream to figure this out. Obviously, I need to figure out what the fuck I'm doing here. This one put as reduce only, but I think that would make me go, what the fuck? Why is all my shit canceling? Also, why does it show me this shit that was canceled? I don't need this. This is stupid. So I take profit limit. Okay, so we'll try 0.133 again. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not sure why that was set up that way, but this unfortunately will make it execute as a taker order, which is higher fees. It guarantees kind of better execution, but or it guarantees that it'll get totally filled. On really small orders like this, it doesn't matter, right? So if I was gigantic, imagine I was trying to buy 500 ETH at this level. It's maybe some of it would get filled and some of it wouldn't possibly if I had a limit order. And so in that case, maybe you want to take profit market. For mine, the order is so small that it'll definitely get eaten up. It's just me learning the DYDX interface, but that's the update. So here's our profit so far. One thing I'm confused about is why it's in profit. I don't think it should be in profit at this point if my numbers are correct. So here's all our okay, so some of these losses were break-even losses. Maybe I set the stop in the wrong place. I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay, so let's follow this. So this is our ETH trade again. Today is 9:28. And ETH again. We're at 3:36 p.m. Let's look at the average true range. And let's change it. Okay. Nice. That's why the fuck would I want to have? Why would I want a market cap? Who's doing that? What is Phoenix? What am I looking at? There we go. Okay. So far we made $13.8 difference, and the average is pretty low at 91. And it's been flat on the daily and the 1 hour. This is a 4 hour. Don't know that yet. The range is the same, and our stop is much tighter. Probably not good, but here we go. That's our trade. Now, so both of them are open. We're doing a little bit of a we're getting short on Ethereum and going long on Bitcoin. So kind of interesting. I haven't traded instruments against each other like that very much, but that's just kind of good other thing to try. So that's stream for today. Done.